How to change your key fob battery. Presented by Keyless Entry Remote Incorporated. Step 1. Grab your tool. You can use anything this size. Step 2. Twist it open. Notice that the plus side is up. Step 3. Lift it with the tool and slide it out. Now put it back together with the new battery. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. That way, next time you need a new key fob, you'll know where to go. Keyless Entry Remote Incorporated, we're here for you.